Let's move on and bring you up to speed with the other big corporate story of the day. One of the largest private equity deals that we've seen in the country. Blackstone will buy a 60.5% stake in technology services provider Mphasis. Blackstone will basically buy these shares from Hewlett-Packard at about 430 rupees per share. This automatically then will be followed by a mandatory open offer for 26% more shares of Mphasis. But for more on just what the deal structure will look like and more importantly the rationale behind that, let's take it across to Chandra Srikanth, who's joining in from Bangalore. Finally, Chandra, a done deal.
This was a deal that was waiting to happen for a few months now, and it's finally been sealed by Blackstone, edging out other bidders, including the likes of Techem and Apollo. And this is Blackstone's biggest bet as far as the IT services space is concerned after the bet they made on BPO Intelinet. Now, if you look at the main thing that really clinched this deal for them, it's clearly the master services agreement that they've managed to secure from HP for revenue consideration of over $900 million every year. Initially, this will be valid for 5 years, but it can be extended up to 11 years every year. So I think that was the main thing that clinched the deal, because remember, HP has been looking to offload its stake in Mphasis for a while now, but it hasn't happened. But now with the revenue guarantee, looks like that's been sealed. But the roadmap for that is unclear, considering HP's direct channel revenues have been coming down. The other important thing to watch out for will, of course, be the management, the leadership structure, what happens there. For now, Blackstone has said that it has faith in the existing leadership and that the existing management will continue, but we will get clarity in the next few days. This is clearly a sign of yet another consolidation happening in the IT services sector, especially in the mid-cap space. After HCL Tech buying out Geometric, we now have Mphasis being bought out by Blackstone, and perhaps we will see many more such examples in the months to come.
It is exciting for management. We look for business potential because we want to be known for leading a company towards success, for leading a company towards breakthrough, for leading a company for greater shareholder value. And what this transaction does, it suddenly offers us two different platforms which were not there before for us to succeed. One platform is this new MSA with HPE, subject to shareholder approval. That will give us the opportunity. Second is portfolio companies of Blackstone, and that will give us an opportunity to grow further. And that's what is exciting for me and my team. And now our job would be to translate that potential into reality for both our customers and shareholders.
How confident are you, on this MSA getting executed and then getting a renewal for up to 11 years in terms of the revenue commitment?
So first thing is subject to shareholder approval. HP has been an amazing customer, and despite their decline, they have been unbelievably professional. I have no doubt that once the shareholders approve this MSA, this will be executed to its fullest extent. And this is just minimum, as the word suggests. Then, because we have become a preferred partner, we have an opportunity to see whether we can go beyond, and we intend to go beyond.
Right. Blackstone's management told us today on the call that, the existing management will continue. So have they secured any commitment from you that you will stay on board for the next few years, you and other top leaders of the company, so as, to ensure that there's no disruption as far as management is concerned?
If you're looking at my leadership team's commitment to Mphasis, it is absolute. It has nothing to do with contract or otherwise. So the risk of leadership leaving is very low, because we are genuinely excited about the potential which this transaction brings.
Our view that this agreement will be delivered and is going to be an anchor point to stabilize the company going forward. And the second point is Blackstone is the world's largest alternative asset manager with $330 billion of assets under management. If you were to aggregate Blackstone like the way GE does, it will be a Fortune 13 enterprise. So we have an ability. We are a customer ourselves to bring business to Mphasis, which other market players may not have that ability. we are a customer ourselves to bring business to Mphasis, which other market players may not have that ability. So we have an ability to bring that, so which allows us to have a higher conviction in making these IT services investments compared to other players.
Okay, time then to take it across to